Welcome to the SEM Academy, the world's leading resource for sport and exercise medicine education. This video has been made to provide subscribers with a basic understanding of how to use the SEM Academy. This video will cover the following areas: logging on, what features are on offer, and the basics of how to get around the Academy. To access the Academy, visit semacademy.litmos.com. On this page, enter in your email address and password in the dialog boxes and hit login to take you to the Academy's dashboard. On the dashboard, you will find all of the Academy's content and features, some of which we will go through here. The main content areas in the Academy are shown in the 4 tiles along the bottom of the screen. They are the modules, premium modules or certificate courses, masterclasses and webinars, and monthly feature topics and expert discussion forums. Let's start with modules. To access the entire module library, click Modules tile or click Modules in the navigation bar at the top of your screen. Once on the modules page, you can access the SEM Academy's entire module collection. There are over 60 modules and hundreds of hours of content available. You can filter out the content you wish to see using features like the search bar at the top of the screen or other filters such as content type, topic, and tags. In the module library, modules are housed under various topic types called courses. When you find a course you are interested in, click on the course tile to visit its homepage. The homepage shown here is the course page for the Biomechanics Sport Medicine course. All modules under this course are listed here. Click on each module to complete it. Returning back to the dashboard, we will now visit the Masterclass and Webinar library. Click Masterclass to do this. Our library contains recordings from masterclasses, webinars, conferences, and other videos on sport and exercise medicine. To watch a video you are interested in, click Watch Now on the video to head to the page it is stored on. Returning back to the dashboard, we will now visit the Feature Topic and Expert Discussion Forum page. Every month, SEM Academy feature a topic and engage a world-leading expert to create content and participate in a Q&A discussion forum. On this page, you can access each month's feature topic content and expert discussion forum. All past, current, and upcoming forums are stored here. Click on the month you are interested in to visit the topic page. Here we are showing you our feature topic page for April, concussion. Scroll down the page to read about the feature module of the month. To take the module, click on the Open the Module button. Scroll down further to read about the experts of the month and their experience. Our expert written case study comes next. You can test your knowledge in the case study by clicking the Take the Case Study quiz button. Each month, we also collate topic-specific sport and exercise medicine resources for your learning. Our Talk to the Expert discussion forum is found at the bottom of the page. Here, you can engage with our experts of the month to ask questions related to the feature topic. Create an account to engage in the forum, type your questions in the comment box, and engage with the comment streams below. Returning back to the dashboard, the last feature to cover is Achievements. To access the Achievements page, click Achievements in the menu. Here, you can view all of the courses you have completed, rate the resources, download certificates of completion for your records, and keep a track of CPD points you accrue using the SEM Academy. You can also upload records of any external learning you complete to make the Achievements tab a central way of storing all of your CPD activities, both on and off the SEM Academy. We hope you enjoy the content on the SEM Academy and engage well with the global SEM community.